that would change the cams to mine.
Sounds better.
Yeah.
How'd you do there, son?
Okay.
Hauled it on down there, didn't you?
Thought it'd go a little faster, but you know.
Johnny broke.
I heard that.
I heard a rod going clack, clack. That rod didn't sound that good in Johnny's car, did it? Huh? There you go.